Double underhook.
Uh-oh, it's locked in, the armbar.
Battling to get the upper hand. Wow, he escapes it.
He's just got no quit in him here tonight, Cole.
Great match here, but if you mention any of the action from Chad Gable for the first time tonight. Moonsault!
You see that height.
Been fighting throughout this entire locker room. No, not out here on the floor. Are you kidding me?
Oh, into the locker. It's like
They're in the boss's office now.
someone stop this. Get this under control.
Don't let the hole ready.
What in the world?
Look out for the table, look out!
Good God, good God.
Setting up for it, looks like, oh no! My goodness!
The action's coming right to our lap right now, guys.
He's going all the way to the top.
We'll never make it. Good Lord! Elbow through the table. Gable locking his opponent's arm.
German suplex! But
into the buckle. Roll through. Wow!
German suplex, incredible!